Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to Learn English Through Stories. Today, we have a special treat for you, a simple yet engaging English story designed to improve your listening and speaking skills. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started with our story titled A Day in the Life of Emily. Meet Emily, a cheerful and hardworking young woman. She starts her day early every morning. Let's follow Emily through her day and see what she does. Good morning. Time to get up and start the day. Emily stretches and gets out of bed. She heads to the bathroom to brush her teeth and wash her face. Emily, smiling, that feels refreshing. After freshening up, Emily heads to the kitchen to prepare her breakfast. Emily, what should I have for breakfast today? Maybe some toast and scrambled eggs. Emily enjoys a healthy breakfast to start her day with energy. Emily, biting into toast, delicious. Let's pause here and review some key vocabulary and phrases from this part of the story. Cheerful, happy and optimistic. Example, Emily is a cheerful young woman. Stretch, to extend one's body or limbs. For example, Emily stretches and gets out of bed, refreshing, making you feel refreshed and reinvigorating. For example, that feels refreshing, healthy, good for your health. Emily enjoys a healthy breakfast. Now, let's practice some common phrases you might use in the morning. Good morning. Time to get up. What should I have for breakfast? Delicious. After finishing her breakfast, Emily gets ready to leave for work. She puts on her shoes, grabs her bag, and heads out the door. Emily, closing the door, off to work. Emily lives close to her office, so she enjoys a pleasant walk to work every day. It's such a beautiful morning. I love walking to work. On her way, Emily greets her neighbors and stops by her favorite coffee shop for a quick coffee. Emily, greeting barista, good morning. Can I get a cappuccino, please? Barista, sure thing. Emily, coming right up. With a warm coffee in hand, Emily continues her walk to the office. Emily, have a great day. Let's pause again and review some key vocabulary and phrases from this part of the story. Pleasant, giving a sense of happy satisfaction or enjoyment. For example, Emily enjoys a pleasant walk to work. Neighbor, a person living near or next door to you. For example, Emily greets her neighbors. Cappuccino, a type of coffee made with espresso and steamed milk foam. Example, can I get a cappuccino, please? Office, a place where people work, usually with desks and computers. For example, Emily continues her walk to the office. Now, let's practice some phrases you might use when heading to work or getting coffee. Off to work. It's such a beautiful morning. Good morning. Can I get a drink, please? Thank you. Have a great day. Off to work. It's such a beautiful morning. Good morning. Can I get a drink, please? Thank you. Have a great day. Emily arrives at her office and is greeted by her colleagues. Colleague 1, good morning. Emily, good morning. How are you today? Colleague 1, I'm good, thanks. Ready for another busy day? Emily, absolutely. Let's get started. Emily sits at her desk and begins her work. She checks her emails and schedules her tasks for the day. Emily, all right, let's see what needs to be done today. Emily is always ready to help her colleagues and enjoys working as part of a team. Let's pause here and review some key vocabulary and phrases from this part of the story. Colleague, a person with whom one works in a profession or business. For example, Emily is greeted by her colleagues, busy, having a great deal to do. For example, ready for another busy day. Project, an individual or collaborative enterprise planned to achieve a particular aim. For example, Emily works on various projects. Collaborate, work jointly on an activity or project. For example, Emily collaborates with her team. Now, let's practice some phrases you might use at work. Good morning. How are you today? Ready for another busy day? Can you help me with this task? Let's take a look at it together. It's lunchtime. Emily and her colleagues head to the cafeteria to enjoy a break and some food. Colleague 1. What are you having for lunch today? Emily, I brought a salad and some fruit. How about you, colleague 1? I'm having a sandwich and some chips. They find a table and sit down to eat together. Emily, laughing. It's nice to take a break and chat during lunch. Colleague 2. Absolutely. So, any plans for the weekend? Emily, I'm thinking of going hiking. What about you, colleague 2? I might just relax at home and read a book. After a refreshing lunch, Emily feels energized and ready to tackle the rest of the day. Let's take a moment to review some key vocabulary and phrases from this part of the story. Cafeteria, a place where people eat in a school, business, or other institutions. For example, Emily and her colleagues head to the cafeteria. Salad, a mixture of raw vegetables, usually served with a dressing. For example, I brought a salad and some fruit. Chat, talk in a friendly and informal way. For example, it's nice to take a break and chat during lunch. Energized, full of energy, invigorated. For example, Emily feels energized after lunch. After lunch, Emily returns to her desk and continues her work. She has a meeting with her manager to discuss a new project. Manager, Emily, can we meet in the conference room to discuss the new project? Emily, of course. I'll be there in a minute. In the meeting, Emily and her manager go over the details of the new project and set goals for the team. Manager, we need to complete this project by the end of the month. Do you think we can do it? Emily, yes. With good planning and teamwork, we can definitely achieve that. Emily takes notes and plans her tasks accordingly. Emily, looking at notes. All right, let's make a to-do list and get started on this project. She then spends the afternoon working diligently off tasks on her list. Let's pause and review some key vocabulary and phrases from this part of the story. Meeting, an assembly of people for a particular purpose, especially for formal discussion. For example, Emily has a meeting with her manager. Conference room, a room provided for singular events such as business conferences and meetings. For example, can we meet in the conference room? Project, an individual or collaborative enterprise planned to achieve a particular aim. Example, discuss the new project. To-do list, a list of tasks that need to be completed. For example, let's make a to-do list and get started. Now, let's practice some phrases you might use in a work meeting. Can we meet in the conference room? Let's discuss the new project. We need to complete this by time. Let's make a to-do list. After a productive day at work, Emily heads home. She likes to unwind by doing some yoga and cooking a nice dinner. Emily, taking off shoes. Home sweet home. Emily changes into comfortable clothes and unrolls her yoga mat. Emily, taking a deep breath. This is the perfect way to relax after a busy day. After yoga, Emily heads to the kitchen to prepare dinner. Emily, I think I'll make some pasta tonight. Emily enjoys cooking and finds it very therapeutic. Emily, dinner is ready. Time to enjoy a nice meal. Let's review some key vocabulary and phrases from this part of the story. Unwind, relax after a period of work or tension. For example, Emily likes to unwind by doing yoga. Yoga mat, a mat used during yoga to provide cushioning and support. For example, she unrolls her yoga mat. Therapeutic, having a good effect on the body or mind, contributing to a sense of well-being. For example, Emily finds cooking very therapeutic. Pasta, a dish originally from Italy consisting of dough made. Learn English through stories. In this video, We present a simple and engaging English story titled A Day in the Life of Emily. This story is perfect for beginners and intermediate English learners looking to improve their listening and speaking skills. What you'll learn: glowing star engaging story. Follow Emily through her day, from her morning routine to her workday, lunchtime, evening activities, and bedtime. This relatable story is designed to enhance your understanding of everyday English. Glowing star key vocabulary and phrases. Expand your English vocabulary with essential words and phrases used in daily life, including morning routines, work-related terms, lunchtime conversations, and evening relaxation activities. Glowing Star Interactive Practice. Participate in practice sessions to reinforce new vocabulary and phrases, helping you build confidence in using English in real-life situations. Why watch this video? Glowing Star Beginner and Intermediate Friendly. The story is easy to follow, with simple vocabulary and clear narration. Glowing Star Practical Learning. Learn phrases and vocabulary that you can use in daily conversations and real-life scenarios. Glowing Star Engaging Content. Enjoy a relatable story that is both entertaining and educational. Who is this video for? English learners at the beginner and intermediate levels. Anyone looking to improve their English listening and speaking skills. Viewers who enjoy interesting and relatable stories. Subscribe to our channel for more engaging and educational English learning videos. Like and share if you found this video helpful. Comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Join our community. Connect with fellow English learners. Share your experiences and get tips on how to improve your English skills. Follow us on social media for updates and additional content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching Simple English Story. Improve your English listening and speaking skills. Let's keep learning and improving together. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, our carefully curated stories cater to all levels, making learning English enjoyable and effective. Join our community of language enthusiasts and let the magic of storytelling transform your learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Dive into Englishstorywell, where every story is a step towards mastering English.